Welcome to this tutorial on how to see delta on Thinkorswim. Delta is an important option. Greek's metric that measures how much the price of an option is expected to move for every $1 change in the price of the underlying asset. Understanding delta can help you make more informed trading decisions. So let's dive into how to find it on Thinkorswim. First, open the Thinkorswim platform and log into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one to use the platform. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Trade tab at the top of the screen. Here, you will see a list of available symbols. Enter the ticker symbol for the stock or ETF for which you want to analyze options. Next, click on the option chain to view the available options for that particular symbol. You will see various expiration dates and strike prices listed. To see delta, make sure the option chain is set to display the Greeks. If you do not see delta listed, you might need to customize the columns. Right-click on any column header, select Customize, and then search for delta in the available items. Add it to your display and click OK. Once you have delta added to your option chain, you can easily see the delta values for each option. Keep in mind that delta values range from 0 to 1 for calls and 0 to -1 for puts. Higher delta indicates a greater probability that the option will be in the money at expiration. Using this information, you can tailor your option trading strategies based on your understanding of the underlying asset's price movements. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful in learning how to see delta on Thinkorswim.